haba tharanting jong jingya kawangti hakani jingya lab election hapdeng kinongelam ka Bharatiya Janata Party bat ka National People Party u Lok Sabha na Kalyabor jong ka Indian National Congress u Gaurov Gogoi ulapan pau ba ka ni kadei tang ka drama jong kini ki hapdeng tang banyo nong hakasan perthai habai krembat ki lap thai kubor u Gaurov Gogoi ulai thu bah kini ki sansnem ki babuan ki kam la shubtha be dau mentirang ba ka asam u himanta beswa bat ukon rat ki sangma hakini ki sansnem ula sulong tang kumunyang ko ngu jong u himanta beswa bat ma upat usak khrawai sabi na Delhi
rallies of NPP and the rallies of BJP, and I must give the best prize for acting to both these two parties. I think you have to share the Oscars for Best Actor between Home Minister Amit Shah, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma and Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. All of the level of the tone that they are using in their speeches to attack each other. Where was all this hostility for the last 5 years? For the last 5 years, BJP in Delhi is saying it is our government in Meghalaya. It is our government in Meghalaya. We have captured the Northeast. Congress was there in Meghalaya, now we have come in Meghalaya. And now they come to Meghalaya and they say, no, corruption was not done by me. What kind of double standards are they? They are lying somewhere. Either they are lying to the people of Delhi, Home Minister Amit Shah is lying to the people of Delhi and saying that it is our government in Meghalaya, or Home Minister is lying to the people of Meghalaya and saying, no, it's not our government. All of this is drama. Both the parties are here to loot the resources of Meghalaya and to cheat the ordinary hardworking people. Dono mile hue. Both are brothers in arms. But one is a younger brother, one is an elder brother. Younger brother is Chief Minister Meghalaya, elder brother is Chief Minister Assam. Because your Chief Minister, the way the BJP have treated him, look at the way they on his back, they got into the government, they enjoyed everything, got 2 ministers, enjoyed all the money from all the loot, from all the scams, and now when it comes to time of election, they are just throwing him away. And so he's not even a full Chief Minister, he's like a half Chief Minister. Because most of the main decisions seems to be taking place in Assam by Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma. He is coming and saying, we will do this, we will do that, we will do this. So people of Meghalaya, the BJP are not giving any respect. Meghalaya people will choose their own Chief Minister. Their Chief Minister will sit in Shillong, not sit in Dispur, not sit in BJP party office, not in, and the decisions will be made in the cabinet of the Meghalaya Chief Minister, not in the cabinet meeting of Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma. So the last 5 years, the NPP Chief Minister has been a puppet in the hands of the Assam Chief Minister, and Assam Chief Minister's remote control is also not with him. His remote control is with Home Minister Amit Shah. Why? Because of Sharda and Louis Berger. When the Home Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma was in the Congress party, all the BJP used to come to Assam and say, listen, we will come and we will open all the files of Sharda, Louis Berger. And then Chief Himanta Biswa Sharma joined BJP and all these Sharda files are closed, Louis Berger files are closed, all these files are sitting with Home Minister Amit Shah because he is CBI, Income Tax, ED. So all these Sharda files are with Amit Shah. So in Himanta Biswa Sharma's Ji's mind, Amit Shah is his Prime Minister, not Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And in a public meeting, you can check with Bobita ji also, in a public meeting, Himanta Biswa Sharma ji addressed Amit Shah as the Prime Minister also. I am not lying. You can ask your colleagues in Assam media. Why? Because he fears all the files, Sharda, Louis Berger are with him. So, Meghalaya Chief Minister's remote control sitting in Dispur and Dispur's remote control sitting in Home Minister Amit Shah's office. So, where does that leave this NEDA? This NEDA was supposed to be a Northeast Democratic Alliance, but looking at the speeches, it has become a Northeast Drama Alliance. Just drama. They both want to come together again. Again they will come together If they return to power, both will come together, both will continue, and the scams will continue.
Kajingkular ka TMC na kabenta ka Meghalaya. Kajing pintikna ya kalaway bapranay. An ay jingarap khat ara jarting ka shisnam, shaman na kilong yeng jong kikina ki bapuliya ki school sarkar. Na markata ka TMC kan ay shilak tali ki laptop, shabaro ki higher secondary, bar ki khna puli college, ban kirshan ya ka puli puti ka baminta.
Hakane ka apnyo terek urumpang, John ya kasap jong pi haki artli kisentio bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.
The mismanagement of prominent tourist hubs, along with the lack of connectivity, are badly hurting Meghalaya's tourism industry. Is this the future we want for Meghalaya? It's time to speak up about the issues plaguing Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 836 000 6060. This 27 February, together, let's empower Meghalaya.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya, an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Congress is committed towards providing a job to every household in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka